Hi, this is Johnny. Let's make a game together. For this game, you'll need some cards. Take out the kings and queens. We only need the 2s through the 10s and the jacks. Jacks are wild cards. Let's keep those here. You will also need some rules. The game today is called Bondo Trio Run. And what else do we need? Oh, we need to have a bear. Now in the game Bondo Trio Run, you're trying to put together sets of cards that make a bondo, a trio, or a run. A bondo is when cards add up to another one of the cards. So if you had a 3 and a 5, it could add up to make an 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. That's a bondo. Another bondo is ace, 2, 3, 6. Ace is worth 1. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 makes 6. Jacks are wild cards, so they can be anything. So you could have a jack, a 4, and a 9, making a 5 plus a 4 plus makes a 9. So jack here is a 5. Or if you have more than one jack, you can make them into other numbers as well. A jack and a jack make a 10. 3 plus 7 makes 10. Or it could be 2 and 8, 1 and 9. You decide. Then we're thinking about trios. A trio is 3 numbers that are the same. So 3 3s, 3 9s, 3 8s. You decide. The wild cards can make a trio as well. So 7, 7, and wild makes a 7, 7, and 7. 8 jack, jack, 8 wild, wild means 8, 8, and 8. Or 3 wild cards can be any number you want them to be. The last is the run. A run are 3 numbers or 4 numbers that make a run of numbers. So 6, 7, and 8 are all in a row. That's a run. 4, 5, 6, and 7 are also a run. And remember, jacks can be wild, so 8, jack, 10 can be 8, 9, 10, or we could have wild, wild 9, 7, 8, 9. So that's Bondo, Trio, and Run. Let's put these aside. Let me show you how to play the game. Now for each round, one person should be the dealer, and this is how we start. We're going to put out 4 cards looking for Bondo, Trio, or Run. I already see a bondo. Bondo! 1 plus 4 makes 5. When you see that, you call it out, and then you collect the cards. The number of cards you collect are points for your score. So this person wins the first bondo. The dealer deals out again. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. Do we see a bondo yet? Or a trio? Or a run? I see a run. 2, 3, 4. Run! If you call out run, you get to collect these 3 cards. Let's put them aside. Now here's an important thing about dealing. You must fill the empty spaces first before you put another card on top of a card that's already there. So starting up here, we'll put a card down, a 7, a 9, and I'm going to move a card over here, a 10, nothing yet, I don't see anything yet. Now we can start putting on top of the other ones. 2, 9, 10, and 10. 2, 2, 10, and 10, 2, 2, 5, and 10, and a jack. Remember, a jack is a wild card. In this case, we could say either bondo, we could say 2 and 3 make 5, or we could say trio, 2, 2, and 2. And that's what I'm going to say. Trio, 2, and 2, and 2 make a trio. So I'm going to win these cards. Now, since there are no blank spaces, we'll start up in the upper corner here. And watch out, sometimes when cards are taken away like that, another bondo, trio, or run is revealed. So be ready for that too. And you can call that and win those cards. Here's a 4. Oop, bondo, do you see it? 4 and 5 make 9. Now we have a 7, a 10, and a 10. Fill the empty spot first. 2 7s, 2 10s. 7, 7, 5, 10. 3 5s and 2 7s. Okay, I'm not seeing, oh, do you see it? I see it now. Bondo, 3 and 5 make 8. So we win that one. Starting up in the corner here. 8, 7, 10, and 10. 2 8s, 2 10s. 3 8s. What do we say? Trio, 8 and 8 and 8 more. That makes a trio. Collect those cards. 10. Oh, what do we see? Trio again. 10 and 10 and 10 make a trio. Now we have 7 and 7. Fill the empty spot first. 2 sevens, a 10. 3 sevens, what do we say? Trio. 3 sevens. Fill the empty spot first. 9 and 10. A 6. Fill the empty spot. A 4. Bondo. 4 and 6 make 10. We have our 9. An ace. A 7. And a 5. Any possibilities yet? Not quite. A 6. Oh, there are a couple different ways to go here. Do you see it? There's a run here, and there's also a bondo. We could say 1 and 6 make 7, or we could say run 5, 6, 7. I'm going to say run and collect 5, 6, and 7. Fill the empty spot first. We have a 1, a 9, a 3, and a 6. Anything yet? Bondo. 3 and 6 make 9. Empty spot first. 2 aces. A 6 and a 2. Any possibilities there? Not quite. Oh, do you see it here? I'd say bondo because look, 2 and 6 and 1 more make 9. So this time we collect all 4 of these cards. That makes for a better score. We have an ace, a 3, a jack. Now jacks are wild, so you're probably going to say bondo right away because you can instantly say a jack plus the 1 makes a 3. The jack if it's a 2, so 1 plus 2 makes 3. So somebody saying that can win these as a bondo. An ace, a 9, a jack, what do you say? You can say bondo right away because the jack is wild. 1 plus 8 makes 9. And you collect those cards. There's only one last card. We'll set it out. There are no bondos, trios, or runs right here. Now if you get to the end of the rounds and there's still cards set out here, stack them up, reshuffle them, and try again making the 4 places to see if you can still make a bondo, a trio, or a run. Once you've decided you can't make any more, that's the end of the round. Count your cards, see who won, and then you know what you do. You play another round. So this is the game Bondo Trio Run, and for this game you need to have some cards, you need to have some rules, and you need to have a bear. Hope you enjoy this game.